Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you Aprilia Tuono factory 1100 V4 APRC. Absolute weapon of a bike are these. They're unbelievable road bikes. Literally an RS V4 with flat bars, not detuned or anything. They're just absolutely mega bikes. This one's got the D-cat with the sports cat and the Akrapovic titanium, carbon exhaust on there. It's got tail tidy on it. It's got Evotech crash guards as well as the tail tidy by Evotech. Absolutely mega bike. They come with Ohlins fully adjustable rear shock, Ohlins adjustable front forks. Just a stunning bike. One of the best engines you can buy for the road. Big Brembo brakes on there. Just beautiful. This is a 2016 on a 16 plate. Done 8,307 miles. And they come with launch control, wheelie control, adjustable traction, adjustable ABS, adjustable everything. Yeah, just a super bike with flat bars. They're unbelievably good to ride, and they sound fantastic. You get quickshifter on here. They are absolutely stunning. I'll give it a start up for you so you can hear it. They do sound good to those, and if this one isn't for you, you've got a 1000cc V4 version here just to the left of the yellow one, and the cameraman's going to go a little bit further. We've also got another one there. That one is the 67 plates. That one's got the full colour TFT dash and a few other bits on there. So have a look on the website, or even better, come down and take a look for yourself at Jordan Bikes or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.